Microsoft Word has a feature called Autocorrect, and Autocorrect enables you to correct commonly misspelt words. So for example, if I type in the word accommodate, you'll see that it automatically corrected that. I typed it in incorrectly. It's capitalized the first letter. It's also done 2 C's and 2 M's because I can never remember how to spell it. You can leverage autocorrect to pop in commonly misspelt words and also to use it as abbreviations. Let's have a look at how we do this. First, we need to go to File, and then we need to go down to Options. From here, we're going to go to the Proofing tab and Autocorrect options. So from here you can see some of the things autocorrect will automatically do. It will automatically correct 2 initial capitals. So if you hold your finger down on the caps lock key or the shift key for too long, it'll capitalize the first letter of sentences, first letter of table cells, and capitalize names of days of the week and accidental usage of caps lock. In the Replace as you type section, you can pop in anything you like. So my name's Donna Hanson, so I could put in DH. Now, every time, in fact, I might make that all lowercase to make it easy. And if I want to make sure that every time I type in DH, it expands out to Donna Hanson. And I'm going to click Add and OK. And OK again. Now, anytime I type in DH and press the space bar, it now expands out to put in my name exactly how I wrote it in. So you can add in all sorts of little shortcuts for common pieces of text that you might insert. Maybe it's somebody that you work with and the surname's a little complicated. It can be really helpful. So that's autocorrect in Word.